The world is standing at the edge of a new digital revolution, the fusion of 6G and artificial intelligence. Together, they'll change how we connect, think, and live. 6G will be far beyond speed. Imagine instant communication, zero latency, and real-time digital twins of the world, from smart factories to entire cities. Artificial intelligence is the brain